Hey Matterporters, I'm Amir, and in this video I'll talk about coping with sunlight when scanning with the Matterport Pro cameras. It's really important to understand how the Matterport cameras work so you know how to deal with issues as they arise. While traditional cameras only capture visible light, the Matterport camera captures both visible light and invisible infrared light. Infrared light is the same light used in your remote control and similar devices. First, the camera projects a pattern of infrared dots and looks at those dots to gather depth data about the surfaces in the space. The Capture app then uses this depth data to align the new scans with previous scans. Alignment errors can happen when the camera can't distinguish its own infrared light from ambient infrared light in the environment. From the camera's point of view, the environment appears to be washed out or empty. While you can't avoid sunlight, you can close curtains, lower blinds, or return when there's less direct sunlight. Surfaces covered with direct sunlight, or even if there is too much ambient sunlight, are invisible to the camera. Therefore, depth data can't be collected, and the 3D geometry that represents the surface won't be built correctly. Without a good and complete 3D model, visitors can end up having a bad navigation experience, such as walking through walls or floors. Because of issues with infrared light, we do not recommend you 3D scan outside. If you need to scan outdoors, switch to the 360 capture mode. A 360 capture is like a 3D scan, but it's not aligned to the other scans. Therefore, it won't add geometry to the dollhouse or the floor plan views. If you want to 3D scan a path to an unattached building, such as a shed or guest house, wait until the sun is below the horizon before scanning outdoors. Even if it's cloudy or the camera is in the shade, there can still be too much ambient infrared light to properly align the scan.